Welcome to our guide on how to remove a financial connection in Docket. First, log into your Docket account. If you're a business employee, click on the Accounting tab and then select your business name. For accounting team members, click on your avatar icon at the top right and select Switch to Accountant View. Then, locate your business by searching for its name and enter it. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Financial Connections. To remove a financial connection, click on the ellipsis menu next to the connection you wish to remove. Remember, the financial institution account must be disconnected first. After disconnecting the account, select Remove from the three dots menu. You'll see a confirmation window. Finally, click on the Yes button to confirm the removal of the account. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.